Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to finish setting up your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having this type message in your iPhone settings that you have to finish your setting up your iPhone. So let's see how can you fix that. So basically you see this option when you haven't set it up anything on your iPhone. It might be your Face ID, your Siri, or anything else in your iPhone settings. So let's see what I had in there. So you just have to tap on that option and you will get here pending settings. So if you might get here Face ID or anything else here, you can see I have set up Siri option here. So I have to set up Siri on my iPhone. Simply tap on set up Siri here, and you will get the next screen, which is set up Siri screen. Or you can set up it using your this settings, Apple Intelligence and Siri. Select that and you can enable it here. And once you have set it up, the pending settings here, you will not get this option again. So in this way, you can easily fix or remove the option of finish setting up your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.